Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MLflow on Databricks for model management, full guide step by step clearly. To install MLflow on Databricks for model management, begin by launching your Databricks workspace. Navigate to the Clusters section in the sidebar menu. Ensure that you have an active cluster running. Click on your cluster name to open its details page. Next, navigate to the Libraries tab within the cluster details. Click the Install New button to add a new library. In the Library Installation options, select PyPI. In the dialog that appears, type MLflow in the search box. Click the Install button to initiate the installation of MLflow. Monitor the installation progress in the cluster's library interface. Once the installation is complete, you can access MLflow in your notebooks. Open a new or existing notebook from your workspace. Import MLflow by typing Import MLflow at the top of your notebook. Now, to start using MLflow, you may need to configure the tracking server. You can set the tracking URI, allowing MLflow to log the data properly. Use the command mlflow.set_tracking_URI, your_tracking_URI, for this setup. If you want to log experiments and their results, start an experiment with mlflow.start_run. Log parameters, metrics, and models within the run to track your progress. Conclude your run by calling mlflow.end_run. To visualize your results, navigate to the Experiments section in the MLflow UI of Databricks. You can now explore your logged data and analyze the performance of your models. Repeat this process for each new model you want to manage. By following these steps, you can successfully install MLflow on Databricks for effective model management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.